Equipment of all sorts has skyrocketed. The latest example, the F-35, shows how wasteful our system has become. No one knows the exact cost, but it's vastly more than originally estimated. The F-35 has become the most flagrant example of military contracting failure. It can't even get off the ground much of the time. Supposed to save money, forming different functions for 3 military branches, with a super stealthy version for the Air Force, engines to propel the plane straight upwards for the Marines, fortified landing gear for Navy carrier decks. But in trying to do everything, it turns out the F-35 can't do any of them very well. Sometimes can't fly in clouds, stormy weather, or at night. Its engines have blown up during takeoff, and early models had developed cracks throughout their structure. Deadlines have been pushed back, contracting scandals have rocked the Pentagon, costs have doubled, and there's no end in sight. Why does the Air Force want to throw away its trusty Warthogs for the F-35s that barely work? Officials claim the A-10 is just too old. It seems the real problem is that it already exists. There are no new military contracts to hand out. The F-35, on the other hand, is being produced by over 1,200 suppliers across 45 states and 9 partner countries. The U.S. plans to buy a sizable fleet that's estimated to cost $1.5 trillion over its lifetime, or about the same cost as the entire Iraq War. A former CEO of Lockheed Martin once predicted that in the year 2054, the entire defense budget will purchase just 1 aircraft. It seems like we're on track.